1.9 will do it, Delta 778.
Mike Peterborough, continue on the ILS 6, altimeter 3039er, looking numerous departures off runway 1 prior to arrival.
Land 3 right, wind 0805, clutch right turbulent.
Papa Romeo, runway 1, taxi in position and hold.
Central Carter line 31 right, TDB 148.
To 1.9 then. It's 9529 up 2 and hold short of runway 1 for me. Good out 31 right. 227, good out 31 right, American 160. Papa Romeo, runway 1, taxi in position and hold.
Okay, turn right 070, and we're showing, we're slowing through 250, what you need. Delta 1716, turn left heading 130.
130 to 1760.
American 1262 with you passing 6500 for 3000.
American 1262, roger. To 1.9 then. Runway 1, flight line. Flight line, more. Papa Romeo, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Frequency change, disregard, Cessna 081 squad VF4, altitude your dispersion below Bravo, frequency change approved.